Hey, do you think it's possible to turn a profit and still turn the tide on sustainability? Well, for years, many people believed that caring for our planet meant compromising profitability. But today, let's challenge that notion and explore how in Industry 4, profit and planet are not rivals but potentially allies. So, in the traditional business landscape, environmental sustainability seemed like a costly ideal, maybe a luxury for the bottom line. However, I think this perspective is changing because companies across the globe are finding that sustainable practices aren't just good for the earth, they're also good for business too. So let's take a look at that. Industry 4, it's a leap forward in technology, but it's also a leap forward towards sustainability. Things like IoT and AI and big data are becoming the champions of a greener industry. So the first one is energy efficient manufacturing processes. With smart technologies, factories are becoming more energy efficient than ever. Things like IoT devices can monitor and manage energy usage in real time, ensuring that not even a watt is wasted. And the result of this is reduced energy bills and a smaller carbon footprint. Number 2 is about waste reduction through improved material usage. By using data analytics, you can now track and optimize material usage like never before. This precision can cut down on waste, but it also slashes costs, proving that what's good for the planet can also be great for profits. And then number 3 is predictive maintenance. This isn't just about fixing machines before they break, but that also conserves resources. By preventing equipment failures, we save on materials and energy, all about reducing the environmental impact on the planet. So with Industry 4, the balance between planet and profit isn't just achievable, it's essential. So you can consider how your operations can be transformed, not just for efficiency and profit, but also for a sustainable future. So thanks for joining me in rethinking this relationship between profitability and sustainability in the age of Industry 4. Remember, when we align our business goals with our responsibility to the planet, we don't just create better companies, I think we also create a better world. So let's lead this change together.